All right. So today I'm recording this video to tell you about MinIO. Okay. So what is MinIO? So MinIO is a self-hosted object storage tool. Okay. It's an open source, high performance, S3 compatible object storage server that you can deploy on your own infrastructure, basically on premise or private cloud or maybe public cloud, whatever. Okay. So like it's designed for scalability, high availability. These are all the buzzword that we hear for other software, like again scalability, high availability, data durability. You know, basically makes it a popular choice for building private cloud storage. Okay, so it's similar to Amazon S3. All right. So I have already a couple of commands copied. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in the comment when I'll upload this video. So let's do one thing. Let's run those commands and try to install MinIO. Okay, so I'm gonna run this. What the hell? Not this. This. Yeah, I'm gonna run this command. So wget is nothing. It will get this MinIO package or say MinIO binary. Okay, so if you do ls here, we can see MinIO here. All right, you just ignore this es backup and b.sh. That is nothing but backup.sh, and then snapshot.json. All these things I did previously just to test Elasticsearch. Okay, so then I'm gonna run this command, change mod plus x, basically make it executable. Then I'm gonna move this to bin directory, user local bin. What's my password? All right. So, okay. So these commands are fairly simple. You just installed, not installed. Let's say you pull the binary, you change the, change it to executable, and then you move to binary. Not binary, you move to bin. Okay. So yeah, then let's make a directory here. Okay, let me run this command. Then let's change the ownership of this directory. Invalid user. Okay, let it be. Okay, then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add this root user. Then I'm gonna do one more thing, is I'm gonna, not this one. I'm gonna add the password, MinIO root password. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do, run this command. No, again something is wrong with my clipboard. Okay, unable to rename. So instead of this, let's make it vbox user, and here as well. Okay, now run this command, and yes, now it says that I have to access this endpoint. So let's copy this endpoint. Let's open a private window. Don't worry, I'm not gonna show you something different. It's gonna be MinIO only. So okay, now this is how it looks, the first impression. Okay, then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this root user, paste it here, then go back again, copy the password, come here, paste the password, and here we are. I'm gonna just acknowledge this terms and condition. I'm gonna create one bucket called the monkeys. this is invalid bucket. So I'm not supposed to use this underscore. Okay. Then I created this bucket. Okay. Here, since we have this bucket, okay, in this bucket I can upload files, I can upload folder as well. So let's do one thing. I'm gonna upload this file, and if you see, the file is 100% uploaded. Okay. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna upload the folder. So I'm in Rio. I'm gonna go to X and I'm gonna upload this folder called Rio. And let's say upload. The folder Rio has been uploaded, and if you see, all the files that the folder contained is here. Okay. So this is MinIO. This is how basically S3 works in Amazon, if you have seen Amazon S3. Okay. And this is self-hosted. Self-hosted in the sense that it is hosted on my local server, or let's say my virtual box. You can host it on your EC2 instance as well, on your local computer, and it's gonna work just fine. So yeah. Thank you for watching this video. If you need any clarification, or if you're not able to follow the steps to install, do reach out to me or comment down on the video. My name is Augustus. You can reach out to me on Instagram or maybe Twitter or maybe YouTube, anywhere. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.